Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by backing up your important files. This prevents data loss when Windows returns to default. Once backed up, make sure your laptop is plugged in or has over 50% battery so the process won't abort. Now open Start, go to Settings, choose Update and Security, and click Recovery. You're initiating the reset this way because it preserves system integrity. Make the choice to keep files or remove everything when prompted, and then click Get Started to begin the reset sequence. Once done selecting Get Started, you must pick between keeping files or removing everything. Choose based on whether you need a fresh system. Next, decide between Cloud Download or Local Reinstall. Cloud gets the latest image, Local is faster and uses current files. Make sure to review the list of removed apps and exported settings. Note any serial numbers, license keys, or custom configurations you'll need to reinstall. Confirm your choices and click Next. So Windows prepares the reset. You'll see a summary, then Windows will restart and execute the reset. Expect multiple reboots and wait. This can take 20-60 minutes depending on hardware. After it finishes, sign in, reinstall apps, and restore your backups to return to normal use. If it fails or gets stuck during reset, make sure to try Safe Mode or boot from Windows installation media to run startup repair or perform the reset again. One key tip: disconnect non-essential USB devices to avoid driver hangups during the process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.